Welcome to this AnalyzerPro tutorial. In this tutorial we will talk about the usage of modules and we'll take a look at the module, turning procedure, as a representative for other modules. You can find many modules in the toolbar. All of them are listed in the drop-down menu modules. Please select the module turning procedure now and open the main data mask for vehicle 1 at the same time. In all modules, you are asked first for which vehicle you want to conduct the calculation. In this case we can leave vehicle 1. And for which section you want to conduct the calculation. What does this mean? The question on the section asks which is the next free section in our distance time data mask, which is our main data mask. In this case we have not calculated anything yet. So phase 1 is free and we can leave it with phase 1. Most of the modules are self-explaining. You only need to insert the necessary parameters. Details can be found in the manual. In our case with the turning in procedure, we will now insert some fictitious values. For example, an initial radius of 0 meters, a final radius of 10 meters, a longitudinal positioning time of 1 second, a maximum yaw angle of 45 degrees, an initial velocity of 0 and an acceleration of 1 meter per square second. We can now click on Calculate. First we see the sign Transfer Data. When the box is checked here, all data will be transferred to the main data mask and depicted accordingly. You for example only need the calculation results, then you can untick this box here and no data is transferred. In our case we want the data transfer, therefore, we click on Calculate. As soon as we have clicked on Calculate, we see that several intermediate results are shown in the module and that the first phase we have launched before is now filled. We could now decide to add further phases to our driving sequence. As a reminder, only if the calculation is entered in the main data mask, the vehicle will also be displayed in the movie. We can now take a short look on the driving sequence. The vehicle turns in as calculated. With this, we are already at the end of this tutorial and I would like to thank you for your attention.